Hello, Python lesson 14. How to compare two numbers in Python using greater than, comma, smaller than, comma, and equal conditions. Example program. Step 1. Open Python 3. Step 2. Type the following code. For number 1, number 2. Step 3. Click the run button. Step 4. Enter first number 5. Press enter key to continue. Enter second number 3. Press enter key to continue. Result is 5 is greater than 3. If we enter first number 3 and second number 5, the result is 3 is smaller than 5. And if we enter both numbers same, first number 5 and second number also 5, the result is both numbers are equal. Okay, thank you.